Mother Nature showing no mercy. In just seconds, an evacuated hotel gone. A severe flooding in Pakistan turned roads into rivers, leaving more than half the country submerged in water. These are desperate scenes as people hold on to ropes to reach safety. We don't know whether this man survived. Nearly 1,000 have been killed so far, hundreds of them children. It is a crisis which has left nearly 6 million people without shelter. The government have declared a state of emergency. But as the country's Prime Minister visited the worst affected, another storm is brewing. Many here feel recent political upheaval in the country is making a desperate situation even worse.
What is exacerbating the situation is, I think, the political crisis in Pakistan, because the government is not stable. It is like facing the threats from the opposition and it has to deal with that. That is something that people are worried about, that it can affect the rescue and relief efforts of the government.